What's the most wholesome thing a stranger has done for you? Back when I used to work as a cashier, this elderly gentleman came through my line and pulled out a single dollar bill. He smiled and asked, "Want to see something neat?" I was a little unsure, but I nodded. He carefully folded the dollar right in front of me and turned it into a tiny paper shoe. It was honestly adorable. Then he looked at me and said, "You can't walk around with just one shoe," and made another one to match. I've kept both of those little shoes on my desk ever since. They were just too sweet to unfold.